Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to be cleaning all the glass out of the Passat because there's still a whole bunch in here. So we're going to be taking all the seats out and vacuuming all that. I want to get the rest of the exhaust off because I'm going to do a full straight pipe. And we're going to try and get this door all the way off today and see what we can do with that. So we got a lot of work to do today. Let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, I want to get the door off, and to get the door off, it's pretty simple. I just need to get that bolt out, and then there's two more right in there to get that out, and then this whole door should come off. And I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but probably gonna be getting rid of it. I need to take the carbon fiber trim piece off because I'm saving that, and then everything else can go to the dump. But I probably will be keeping the mirror because I want to keep my sheath sticker. So yeah, let's try and get this door off. Alright guys, so I finally got the door off. It took way longer than it needed to because I didn't know what size Allen key I needed to get this bolt out. But now we're going to be pulling the car up to the garage. If I can find my key. Oh, it's right here. That is gross. We'll cold start. With no door on. There we go. She sounds minty. Alright, so to get these seats out, there's four, I think those are Torx on each corner. There's one up here and then two on the other side. So I have to keep moving the seat back and forth and crushing a bunch of glass to get to them. But yeah, throw guys on a tripod and I'm gonna take all the seats out. Alright guys, so I decided that I'm not gonna be taking the seats out because I can move the seats up far enough that I can get to all of the glass, and it's just a pain in the ass to take all the seats out and put them back in. So I'm just gonna set you guys up on some sort of little tripod and vacuum all the glass up. Alright, I ended up not recording basically any of this, but I ended up cleaning everything all out with the vacuum and took all the tires out that were over there. And unfortunately the tires that were in here did leave a bunch of creases in the leather, but I'm going to be taking these back seats out and basically going full race car with no back seats. And eventually maybe putting a roll cage back here when it's LS4 swapped and like makes 780 horsepower. But yeah, for right now we're keeping these in. I'm pretty sure. I'm not even sure how you take these out, so we're leaving these in for now. Everything is all cleaned, and now I want to try and finish getting the rest of the exhaust off, because I don't know if I can show you right now, but the exhaust is being held on by like this much metal right by the cat. So I'm going to cut the rest of it off and get the rest of the exhaust out, because in one of the next upcoming videos I'm going to be doing a full straight pipe going out to the back. So yeah, let's just get straight into that. So in order to do that, oh, the giant beetle. In order to do that, we have to get my jack and jack stand out. And jack stand. I need to get rid of all of this. If anybody needs Passat B7 fenders, you can take them. Just DM me on Instagram. But he's out. And my handle, I want to clear all this out and take all the carpeting and everything out of the back there. Don't know if I'm doing that today though. Just close this back up. Oh, I don't know where the beetle went. Okay, let's jack the car up. Alright, so I just spilled brisk all up in my car, so we need to wipe this up. Basically what happened is I was using my tiny little jack stand to try and jack the car up, and it decided to tip over. So yeah, the brisk that was in there was sitting right on top of here, spilled, and now I need to grab, I don't even know where it is. I literally just saw it. Okay. Where the fuck did it go? Let me grab the wrench to relieve the pressure, to put the jack down, and then I can try and re-jack it. But I have no clue where the little wrench went that I had in here for that. It disappeared. I don't know. Alright, so I relieved the pressure on this and it still isn't budging. So I'm going to try and drive forward and see if it'll go. Maybe it'll rip something apart, that's important. I have no clue. We're about to find out. Oh boy. I think that worked. Let's see. Yeah, it worked. Oh boy. Yeah, it ripped up the ground a little bit. It's because it's on gravel. Okay, so right there is what is holding it on. There's literally nothing else, so I'm gonna try and cut through the rest of that and take that clamp off, and then take the resonator off, and then the other muffler that's there, and the rest of the piping. Alright, so I finally got that stupid little piece off, and as you can now see, or still can't see, I got it cut in half. Let's see if I can move my phone, the flashlight on. Of course the flashlight isn't still on. Yeah, you can see it's cut now. So I'm gonna start it up and see how loud it is now. Alright, so here's the test. I don't know how well that picks up on camera, but it is super freaking loud now. I'm hoping that it quiets down a little bit when I put the full pipes out to the back. But shit's loud as hell. Alright, so I cleaned out the rest of the trunk. Everything is out of there. Needs to go back in there. Everything out here is clean now. I just need to clean up the rest of the front. There's still stuff up here in the front. And then once the car is back on the road and we're starting to do other stuff with it and use it every day, I'm just gonna have Raina detail it at her job because she details cars for a living. But for right now, we just need to finish up the front. I forgot the power steering fluid again. I was going to put new power steering fluid in it because I drained it last time. I didn't video that, but we completely drained it. I show you front here. So this is where the power steering fluid goes. You can see it's pretty much empty. Besides that, not much else to do. I'm waiting for the fenders to come in to put the new fenders on. Waiting for the new rear bumper to come in so I can do that. And I still don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing with this door. This door, if you don't know the story with it, is the threads are completely stripped in there. I think I'm just going to be taking this mirror off and I'm going to be junking the entire door. I don't know yet. It depends on what kind of door I get and if it has the right interior trim colors and all of that. But all these tires I'm throwing out. This rear bumper I'm getting rid of. The front bumper needs to go back on, but we have to wait to put the front bumper back on for the fenders because that's how it bolts on, is through the fenders. You get rid of these fenders, a trim piece, and a skid plate. And that's really it for right now. Not much else I can do. But yeah, the Passat is slowly coming back together. So excited to have this thing back on the road. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.